Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Today I'm going to show how to make Pani Puris in just 90 seconds. Pani Puri is most common street food in India. Usually it's deep fried. But no more deep frying with air fryer. It's so handy. Comes out round and crispy. Notice the huge difference between size and shape for regular Pani Puris versus air fried ones. These puris stay fresh and crispy over a month. Hold shape steadily, super crispy and tasty. Enjoy with chaat, chutneys, onion, etc. Let's get started. I'm going to use the dry Golgappa pack. These will be available in Indian and Asian stores. Arrange the dry Pani Puris in air fry tray. Place the tray on middle rack. Air fry at 390 Fahrenheit for 1 minute. Instant vertex plus air fryer preheats first. Thus, by the time it preheats for 1.5 minutes, puris will be done. Turn the light on to see through. For other air fryer models, including basket type, air fry at 390 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. Check after 1.5 minutes. Puris should be ready. Or keep until puris puff up well. As you see, puris are getting puffed big enough. Ready in 90 seconds. After 1.5 minutes, take out puris from air fryer. Don't leave them inside, otherwise quickly turn more brownish. As you see, these are perfect in size and puffed really very well. Still brownish ones are also too good. Don't smell or taste like burnt. How fast is it for a snack? Hope you enjoy air frying Pani Puris in air fryer. Stay tuned for more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.